Before we begin, I want you to take a slow breath and imagine something powerful. A life where every single day after 50, 60, or even 70 feels lighter, clearer, stronger. A life where your body supports you, not slows you. Most people think aging means weakness, fatigue, memory loss, or constant medication. But today, I want to challenge that belief because science shows something extraordinary. Your body has the ability to repair, regenerate, and even reverse certain age-related declines if you feed it the right foods. And sometimes the most powerful healing doesn't come from a pill, it comes from a piece of fruit. So stay with me because what I'm about to share can truly change the trajectory of your health. Your body carries an extraordinary truth that most people overlook. Healing does not stop with age. Even after 50, 60, or 70, your cells remain active, responsive, and capable of repair in ways that surprise even modern science. Every organ, your heart, your brain, your immune system, your skin continues to listen to the signals you give it. When you nourish your body with the right foods and lifestyle choices, you awaken biological systems that have been quietly working inside you since the day you were born. Imagine your body as a garden. Even if the soil has aged, when you provide water, sunlight, and nutrients, life begins to bloom again. That is exactly how your body operates. The moment you choose healthier habits, your cells start shifting toward renewal. And here's the moment most seniors never expect. The body begins to repair faster than you think. One dietary change can lower inflammation within hours. One nutrient-rich meal can increase blood flow within minutes. One day of improved choices can start rewriting how your body functions. Picture this: waking up and realizing your energy is coming back, your mind feels lighter, your steps feel more stable, and your digestion becomes smoother. This isn't optimism, it's pure biology. Your stem cells, your blood vessels, your immunity, your mitochondria, they are all quietly waiting for the right signals to reignite their strength. And when you provide those signals, your body responds with a kind of power that feels almost youthful. Most people believe aging means decline, but decline only happens when the body isn't receiving what it needs. When you begin giving your cells nourishment, antioxidants, hydration, and movement, you're not just supporting your health, you're activating cellular pathways that regenerate tissue, protect your organs, and improve longevity. Think about the feeling of knowing that you still have control, that your choices still matter, that your body hasn't stopped listening. That realization alone can change the way you approach every meal and every day. There's something deeply motivating about understanding that every senior, no matter their past habits, can turn their health around because your body never gave up on you. It has been fighting for you since day one, repairing damage, removing toxins, neutralizing inflammation, and growing new cells while you sleep. And even now, it continues to work with the same commitment. When you support your body, you unlock a kind of clarity, strength, and vitality that becomes almost surprising. Suddenly you're breathing easier, walking with more confidence, feeling lighter after meals, and noticing a calmness in your mind that you haven't felt in years. This isn't a miracle. This is your biology responding to nourishment. Your blood vessels become more flexible, your immune system becomes more alert, your heart becomes more efficient, and even your brain begins forming stronger neural connections. Science shows that seniors who feed their body with healing foods can experience improvements in memory, balance, blood pressure, digestion, sleep, and overall well-being. And the most inspiring part is knowing that every new day offers a fresh opportunity to signal your body to heal. You're not too old. You're not too late. Your body has never stopped trying to protect you. What you do today can create real change, deep, powerful change that begins inside your cells and radiates outward into your energy, your strength, and your entire quality of life. When you realize this, a spark of hope appears, and that spark can ignite a transformation that reshapes the way you live from this moment forward. Every meaningful transformation in health begins with the smallest, almost invisible choices. And this is where most people underestimate their own power. You don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight to feel stronger, lighter, or more energetic. Instead, your body responds to consistency, to gentle signals repeated day after day, and these signals create changes that grow quietly until one day you notice everything feels different. Picture a single drop of water falling onto stone. Individually, each drop seems insignificant, but over time, that steady pattern shapes the rock itself. Your health works exactly the same way. A glass of water in the morning, a piece of fruit added to your plate, 5 extra minutes of walking, one calm breathing moment before sleep. These small decisions send powerful messages to your cells. They reduce inflammation, strengthen circulation, balance hormones, and improve digestion. You might not feel the impact instantly, but your body feels it immediately. Your heart rate eases, your blood vessels relax, your brain receives more oxygen, your metabolism wakes up. The changes begin quietly but grow steadily, and soon the benefits become impossible to ignore. Imagine starting your day with one healthy action and watching how it sets the tone for everything that follows. Suddenly, the foods you choose are lighter, your mind feels clearer, and your energy lasts longer. You're not forcing your body to change, you're guiding it gently in the right direction. And the beauty of this process is that even when small choices seem too simple to matter, your body sees them as powerful signals that guide it toward healing. Think about how just a single nutrient-rich snack can stabilize your blood sugar, how a short walk can improve circulation to your brain, how drinking water can help your kidneys flush toxins that weigh you down. These are not minor benefits, they are the foundation for stronger immunity, better sleep, sharper memory, and overall longevity. People often give up because they expect dramatic results instantly without realizing that the most lasting transformations grow slowly, like sunrise spreading across the sky. One day you step outside and suddenly feel lighter on your feet. One morning you notice you're breathing more deeply. One evening you realize you're not as tired as you used to be. These are the results of consistency, not intensity. And that is the secret. Small decisions create big changes because they are sustainable. Anyone can follow a healthy habit for one day, but when you repeat it daily, it becomes part of who you are. It becomes the rhythm of your life. Your body begins to expect health, to build on it, to expand it. You are no longer hoping for change, you are creating it. Imagine the confidence that comes from knowing you are shaping your future through simple choices. Every time you choose a nourishing meal over a processed one, you strengthen your cells. Every time you get a few extra steps, you strengthen your heart. Every time you give your mind a moment of calm, you strengthen your resilience. You may not notice the change right away, but your body does, and it rewards you in ways that accumulate quietly until you suddenly feel the difference. Your cells listen carefully to every choice you make. They react, respond, and adjust, rebuilding your body from the inside out. That is why even the smallest healthy decision is never wasted. It becomes part of a powerful chain reaction that elevates your health day by day. And when you realize that each small action is moving you closer to strength, vitality, and longevity, you begin to feel a sense of control, purpose, and confidence that transforms your health in ways far deeper than you ever expected. Food is far more powerful than most people realize. And when you understand this truth, you begin to see every meal as an opportunity to strengthen, protect, and even repair your body. The moment you take a bite of something nourishing, your body receives a biological message, one that can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, balance your metabolism, and support your immune system. Imagine eating something simple, like a fresh fruit or a handful of nuts, and knowing that within minutes, your blood vessels begin to relax, your cells start neutralizing damage, and your brain receives a steady flow of energy. That's the remarkable influence food has on your health. Even the smallest dietary shift trigger profound internal changes. When seniors choose foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and healing compounds, they activate deeply rooted defense systems that the body has carried since birth. Think about how powerful it feels to know that what you put on your plate can help lower blood pressure, sharpen memory, improve sleep quality, support digestion, and maintain stable blood sugar. These aren't vague possibilities. These are measurable, scientifically proven effects. And they happen because food doesn't just fill you, it communicates with your body in ways medicine often can't. Picture this. Every time you choose a fresh fruit over a sugary snack, you're not only avoiding harm, you're empowering your cells to fight inflammation, repair tissue, and create healthier mitochondria, the tiny engines that fuel your energy. One simple decision can influence your mood by supporting the gut-brain connection. Another decision can stabilize your heart rhythm, providing essential nutrients. One small choice can protect your eyesight through antioxidants that shield your retina. These changes may feel invisible at first, but inside your body, they are immediate and powerful. And the most inspiring part is knowing that food keeps working long after you've finished eating. A nutrient-rich meal continues to protect your blood vessels for hours, continues to support your liver as it detoxifies your system, continues to help your immune cells patrol for harmful intruders. That is the long-lasting strength of eating wisely. You begin to feel lighter, clearer, and more stable, not because of a complicated treatment, but because you chose to nourish your body. Imagine sitting at your table and realizing that the meal in front of you might protect your heart from disease, calm inflammation in your joints, or support your brain as it forms new connections. Suddenly, every bite feels meaningful. This is where awareness becomes motivation. When you understand the healing power of food, you stop eating out of habit and start eating with intention. You begin to reach for fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, not out of restriction, but out of respect for your body. You realize that the right foods can ease discomfort, strengthen your immunity, and slow the aging process. Even those who have struggled for years with fatigue, digestion problems, or high blood pressure often experience noticeable improvement when they begin choosing foods that support their biology. That's because your cells are always listening, always responding, always rebuilding. And with every nourishing meal, you are giving them the tools they need to restore balance. Food becomes your daily investment in strength and vitality. It becomes your quiet partner in healing. And when you see your body respond, when you feel more energized, more focused, more alive, you understand that you are shaping your future one meal at a time using the most natural and powerful resource you already have, the food on your plate. When you take charge of your health, you take charge of your life in a way that transforms everything around you. The moment you decide to nourish your body, protect your mind, and support your energy, you begin shifting from simply getting through each day to fully experiencing it. Imagine waking up with the feeling that your body is no longer holding you back, but lifting you forward. That feeling is not out of reach. It's the direct result of choosing to care for your health with intention. When your heart beats stronger, when your breath flows easier, when your joints move without hesitation, you gain freedom to walk without fear, to think with clarity, to enjoy your relationships, and to participate in life with confidence. Many people underestimate how deeply health influences happiness. When your energy rises, your mood rises. When your body feels light, your spirit feels hopeful. When your mind feels calm, every decision becomes clearer. This is why caring for your health is not just a physical choice, it's an emotional one, a mental one, a life-defining one. Picture yourself realizing that with every healthy step you take, you are reclaiming a part of your life you thought was fading. Suddenly, the future feels more open, more possible, more encouraging. Small habits like choosing fresh foods, drinking water, staying active, or taking a few minutes to rest become the foundation of a stronger version of yourself. These decisions send a powerful message to your body. You are choosing strength, and your body responds by supporting you with more energy, more balance, more resilience. Think about the difference it makes when you can climb stairs without losing breath, when you can remember names and conversations easily, when you feel steady on your feet instead of tired or unstable. These are not small victories, they are life changing. They bring back a sense of independence that many seniors believe they lost forever, but it's still there, waiting to be rebuilt through consistent care. When you choose health, you also gain control over how you age. You influence your blood pressure, your immunity, your memory, your mobility, and even your emotional stability. You begin creating a future where you can enjoy moments with your family, stay active in your community, and live with dignity and strength. And there is something extraordinarily empowering about knowing that your age does not decide your quality of life, your choices do. Imagine yourself noticing your body responding after just a few weeks of better habits. Your sleep deepens, your digestion becomes smoother, your mood becomes lighter, your confidence grows because you feel yourself gaining strength from the inside out. These changes are not accidental, they are earned. They are created by the daily choices you make, choices that become habits, habits that become your new identity. And once you begin to feel that shift, even just a little something awakens inside you, a sense of hope, a renewed belief in your own potential. You realize that you are not declining, you are rebuilding. You are shaping your health with purpose. You are stepping back into your power. And every day that you choose to nourish your body, you reinforce that power, creating a healthier, stronger, more vibrant version of yourself, one that carries you through life with confidence and control. Before I end this message, I want you to hold on to one thought. Your age does not define your strength. Your choices do. Every day you wake up, your body gives you another chance to invest in your future. And by adding these 3 simple fruits to your diet, you are choosing vitality over weakness, clarity over confusion, strength over decline. Your health can change at any age, and that change begins with the choices you make today. Take care of your body, nourish it with intention, and it will reward you with more years, more strength, and more life.